So our next speakers literally light up a room or a screen whenever they enter. I have absolutely loved and admired the way that they really always are looking to give back and share their gifts with the world. Now, they're still really early in their careers, yet they've gathered a ton of wisdom. So I'm excited for you all to learn more from them today. I would like to welcome to the stage Andrew and Mark. Take it away.
That's awesome. Thank you, Valerie. And it's just incredibly exciting to be here. I'm Mark.
I'm Andrew.
And we're 22-year-old identical twins and PMs at Microsoft. We work in the engineering space, part of teams designing new Surface products. Really cool stuff. We believe that the stories we tell shape the actions we take and ultimately the impact we create. This talk is called The Stories We Tell and focuses on the Aspire signature capability of self-awareness. Today, we're going to share 3 stories with you. The first story is what I told myself to study engineering and how completing the engineering curriculum led me to Microsoft. I remember first telling myself stories when I was 14 years old, feeling inspired by devices after watching a technology keynote. The feeling of innovation gave me hope at a time when I didn't really know what I wanted to do. The product was launched with an impactful storyline, and at that moment, I first thought that I might want to build technology products. Maybe some of you can relate and have a similar story of inspiration that you used as motivation.
I actually had a similar story as you, Mark. But at that time, I personally really questioned if I could even be somebody who built technology. No one in my family was an engineer, so I wasn't sure. But at that moment, I told myself the story that if I could learn the fundamentals of engineering, maybe one day I could work behind the scenes, helping to create amazing products. And that began a 7-year journey that spanned high school and university, resulting in a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering and another in business administration from UC Berkeley in 2019. The story of why I was at university motivated me through every difficult fluid mechanics exam, mechanics of materials problem set, and open-ended design problem for my mechatronics design capstone project. Can anyone relate? When I was at Cal, I remember applying to the Microsoft internship and making it to the Super Day. I remember landing in Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, driving to Bellevue to check into the Marriott for my final round interview, and meeting the other people also interviewing. People like Alexis, Paulina, Celeste, some of the most inspiring engineering students who I had met, who now work here with me today. This was the first time that I had met people who similarly shared a passion around the role technology plays in the world. And this is one step beyond a desire to know how the technology worked. And these people were inside of the company as well. People like Chris Hunter and Vineet Thuvara, both in the Surface team. So I got that Microsoft PM internship, and I credit that largely to self-awareness about my strengths and weaknesses going into that interview that allowed me to appropriately prepare.
That is awesome, Andrew. And I similarly remember feeling so excited at the interview day. Thankfully, that excitement is still with me today. The second story is about sharing my experience virtually to help others interested in working in tech or at Microsoft. Fast forward, when we became interns, that self-awareness transformed into gratitude and realizing that we needed to share the lessons that we were learning with others. Our chosen platform was YouTube, as that's what we had watched, and through a channel that we created called TheTechTwins. The interesting point here is that the stories we told ourselves got us to a place, Microsoft, that enabled us to keep sharing these stories with others. Throughout this process of sharing our experiences in tech with others, we've learned that the most authentic content is the most impactful. I personally filmed my first day as a Microsoft employee during my very first internship way back in summer 2018, and that video has since been viewed more than 100,000 times. Since then, we've interviewed fellow interns and documented more of our experiences at Cal. The Tech Twins has been so fun to start and be part of because it is about providing visibility about what it takes and what it's like to work in the tech industry, but also about creating the culture that we want by highlighting diverse voices and focusing on topics some people consider taboo, like mental health. If any of this sounds interesting or resonates and you'd like to share your story on the Tech Twins, please reach out to one of us over Microsoft Teams. As important as any metric, though, are the comments and direct messages that we receive from those hopeful about working in tech. And hopefully this shows you the potential for impact by sharing your voice. Here's one from over a year ago that zeroes in on the mission of our channel, which is to change lives through tech. The comment goes, "This was an awesome video, but also very helpful. Been watching your videos, and I gotta say, I've been pursuing Microsoft for the past couple years, and this year has been really fruitful in achieving that, because my dream to work at Microsoft is slowly becoming a reality.
Thanks, Mark. I remember receiving that comment too, which really gets to the core of why I really like sharing my voice through the Tech Twins. The third story is a story about using my voice and platform while I was at Microsoft. So self-awareness also involves understanding that you have a voice and that your voice is valuable. However, if I'm being super honest, the first 6 months of my role were hard, and I found myself asking questions like, am I smart enough? Am I good enough? Now that being said, in April, I personally vividly remember the death of George Floyd and the later mobilization in support of people from very different backgrounds. The day after the news broke, I was DMing one of my team members, who's also a new hire, and we decided that we should host a conversation in our team about it. So we did that later that week to about 20 mechanical engineers, and the reception was awesome. Someone from another engineering team contacted this team's senior director of engineering, saying that they wished that they worked on this team so that they could have been there. And then the presentation spun up to the technical women at Microsoft group, Devices PM All Hands, another All Hands, and as an event on the Windows and Devices-wide Day of Learning. Now, as that progressed, we also found out that there were Black coworkers who were giving similar presentations in another org. And we decided that for these broader presentations, we wanted to team up, and it worked out very well.
We believe that the stories we tell shape the actions we take and ultimately the impact we create. We started with the stories that we told ourselves, which motivated us through the difficult coursework and interviews that got us here to Microsoft. Once here, we felt so grateful for the experiences that we decided to share those stories with others through the Tech Twins, as well as on topics we care about inside of the company. But these are just our ways of sharing our voices. As a Microsoft employee, you are a leader in the tech industry. The stories that you have the courage to tell can have an immense impact on your communities and the world. Consider this your permission slip to start sharing your own stories, and we can't wait to hear about them. Back to you, Valerie.
Oh, give it up for Mark and Andrew, the Tech Twins. Now, y'all, we put their YouTube channel in the Q&A so you can get to know them and everything they're doing a little bit better. We are hearing kind of a theme today. There's a lot of just permission and empowerment being given to